Hello everyone, I'm Said Mandaga. In this tutorial you will learn how to make this material. Follow me and do a step by step with me. So let's dive in. First thing, I changed the render mode to active shade mode, so any movement in setting will be rendered in real time. All you need to do is to set the Vray engine type on Cuba, which it means use your CPU and GPU during the rendering process. Well, let's back to making material. First, I choose the metal's color. You can choose any color you like. Then press render button to start rendering as active shade mode. After that, this item will work as real time. Now it's just rendered the color. Notice that I'm just rendering the ball. The rest of the model has been rendered before recording this tutorial. Next, I load a composite map to blend different maps together. Just drag and drop the texture from your folder and check the renderer. Now you see there's only the texture, no color is mixed with. To do that, I copy the color, then return to my map and add a new layer on top of my texture. Load a Vray color map and paste the color in. This time it shows the color because they are not blended yet. As soon as I change the blend mode to multiply, Vray mixed these two maps. We're done with the diffuse, as simple as that. Let's jump on the reflection. Here, we add a new composite map again to blend some textures. I load a texture, as you see. The white area of the texture will cause 100% reflection, and those black scratches will remain no reflection on your surface. Notice that you have to use the same texture used for diffuse map to give you the best result. Then add a new layer and load another one to blend them. This texture has more black pixels, which means it will reduce the reflection amount on your surface. Totally, it's a good way to balance the reflection and reach to your favorite result. I changed the blend mode to mix them. You can set any amounts you like. I will return here to adjust it better later. Let's copy it as instance mode to glossiness to give you the same effect. This time, texture will control the amount of glossiness. It means any white pixels on your texture will produce a high glossy look and black pixels will blur that area. Let's zoom on it. It's rendering. By changing the amounts, you will reach for your specific result. By switching the BRDF mode, you will change the way your model reflects the light on its surface. Yeah, it looks like a very dirty metal, full of scratch and stains on it, but it's too much. Let's return to reflection map and reduce some amounts to control the imperfection. I think it's much better. Make sure the glossy Fresnel is checked. And the last thing is bump. Drag and drop it on bump section. It really increases the quality of your material. Reduce its amount around 5 to 10%. You can add more or less, but notice that never exaggerate it, cause all we want is to make it looks real, and exaggeration will destroy it. Well, let's change the render setting to render as final version to see what I've done. The result is amazing. I think it's a very natural metal shader. Look at the reflections, glossiness and blurs which it cause of those stains I made via their texture in reflection and glossiness section. Here you see my next material, which is concrete. You vote for it and I'm glad you respond. Please like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel if you need more. See you in next tutorial. Have fun!